Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. And in today's video, I'll teach you guys how to create and add a voiceover on Canva. So there's not a button in Canva which you can just click to add a voiceover. You need to do it manually. By that, I mean you need to record a voice, upload it on Canva, and then use it. So let me show you how to do it. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe. Let's move on. First step, you want to open the voice recording app of any device. So this is for my computer, and you can click on this button to start recording your audio like this. And after you completely record your audio, it's going to be displayed over here. Now you can right click on it and click on open file location, and it's going to show you your audio file. So this is my voiceover audio which I want to add on Canva. So what I want to do is on Canva, I want to go on this upload section, and on upload I want to drag and drop this audio like this. Once I drag and drop the audio, it'll start to upload over here. Now once the audio is uploaded, what I want to do is come on upload and go on the audio section. And the voiceover I just added is going to be shown over here. Now what I can do is just click on this audio and it'll be added over here just like this. So that's how you guys can add a voiceover on your Canva. You have to do it manually. So hope you understand how to do it. So this is the only thing. Now you can keep on watching your video while your voice recorder is on. So you guys can kind of voice over it yourself like this. Once you record the audio, just upload it and paste it over here. Now once you put the audio over here, you can even make it small or enlarge it or do anything you want. You can edit and play around with the audio, alright? So this is the feature of Canva and how you guys can voice over it. Hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step for more Canva related videos like this.